Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Anabolic Foodie Show and brought to you by me, Manny. In this show, I will show you that you don't have to eat chicken, rice, and broccoli 4 times a day to stay lean and get great results. Yeah, the chicken, rice, and broccoli diet does work, but you have to be consistent with it. But the anabolic diet works just the same way. You have to be consistent with it as well. So in today's episode, we're replacing one of your chicken, rice, and broccoli meals with anabolic bacon wrapped hot dogs. So now you only have to eat 3 meals with chicken, rice, and broccoli and 1 meal with bacon wrapped hot dogs, and you'll get the same results. This recipe is tasty, easy to make, and very low in calories, guys. If you want more great recipes that can replace the other 3 chicken, rice, and broccoli meals, you should consider getting my cookbook. It has great recipes like tamales, tres leches, and pizza. I'll put it on the description box below for purchase. If you guys like this kind of content, share and like the video, please. Okay guys, let's get into the recipe with the anabolic bacon wrapped hot dogs. Come on, let's go. Okay guys, this recipe is very easy and fast to make. The first ingredient we're gonna need is National Hebrew beef franks, 97% fat free. The second ingredient we will need is butterball turkey bacon. And we're also gonna need toothpicks. Okay guys, we're gonna need them right there. Put them in a plate. So we're gonna assemble them right now. And we're gonna use a toothpick right now. Okay guys, so we're about to roll it up and roll it up. It's gonna be pretty fast to make, guys. Making 2 of them. Gotta eat this later, but you can make more if you guys want. So what you're gonna do is put the toothpick right here, put it inside there like that, and your hot dog should look something like this, guys. All right, this is gonna be a fast episode. Hey guys, I'm making 2, so you know. Alright, it's gonna be a really fast episode, guys, you know. But this is, I can't believe how tasty this is. And so low calories. You guys are gonna be amazed with the low calories, guys. Okay guys, don't forget to spray the pan and preheat it. And here we go. Okay guys, we're just gonna fry them up real quick. And it's preference, I guess, but I like mine real crispy. I don't know how you guys like yours, but I like mine crispy, so you could put them less time. I'll put it for more. All right, here we go. Okay guys, this is the way I like mine, but I know a lot of you probably don't like them this burnt, but I love them burnt. So all right, we just take them out, put them in there. Yeah, set them aside real quick, and we'll show you what to do next. Okay, we're gonna eat the butt pieces, Ethan Harold, and we're gonna need 2 pieces of Extraordinary Bites, 30 calories of bread each, and the butt pieces. I did this more for aesthetics because it looks like a hot dog right there, and if you flip it around and you get the middle pieces, you only get these pieces right here. So we're gonna need 2 of these, the butt pieces. Guys, don't forget to take out the toothpicks, okay? If not, don't blame me that you got cut. Take out the toothpicks. Oh my god, I've been having this recipe for a while as a staple. This is one of my favorites. It's so low in calories, I could eat one and not worry about it. Okay guys, check out these 2 hot dogs. We're gonna try them out right now, guys, and I'll tell you exactly what I think. Well, I mean, I love these hot dogs. I've been eating a couple of them every night because they're so low in calories and whatever. Okay guys, let's give it a taste test. I'll tell you exactly what I think, and we should be good. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Alright guys, cheers. Wow. I can't believe this is a diet. And I have no ketchup on it, no onion, no tomato, no mustard. Dry like that, and it's pretty cool because I had to do a thumbnail. This thing is good, guys. I can't believe this is a diet. Wow, what the heck? Alright, guys, another bite. This thing is good. Man, I can't believe this is a diet. Man, this is good. You know what? I never tried it dry. I just did it for the camera because I want to try it out dry. I tried it with what? This thing is good. Man, alright, try this, guys. Okay guys, to the macros. If you do it exactly the way I did it, it's 105 calories, 11 protein, 4 fat, 8 fiber, and 12 carb. And that's for one, and that thing is 105 calories for a bacon wrap hot dog with the bread, the bacon, and the hot dog on it. That's steal. Say you're a little extra hungry and you want to eat just another 100 calories, you can eat a hot dog, fill it up with veggies, and it'll fill you up. You could eat 5 or 6 of these and still lose weight, guys. You could eat 5 and 6 of these hot dogs and still lose weight. These are so low calories and so tasty. I bet you guys, if you keep this on your diet, you'll most likely stay on your diet. And if you replace the other 3 meals that are chicken, rice, and broccoli with like pizza, hamburger, and nachos, it is most likely you're not gonna cheat on your diet. Which I have a lot of recipes on my cookbook that'll keep you on your diet, like nachos, pizza, tres leches, tamales, etc. So you want to replace all the 3 meals with more great food, you should consider getting my cookbook, guys, and I put it on the description box with the link below for purchase. Okay guys, I want you guys to make this recipe and comment to see how it came out. Okay guys, we're at the end of the episode. If you guys like this content, I suggest that you click one of my other recipe videos. Okay guys, remember, all the strong subscribe, share, like, and buy. Manny out.